Want to download videos from Bilibili and don't know how? This tool I created will help you download videos fast, without ads, and with no hassle. And the best part? You can download it for free at stampsync.com. On the website, you can also suggest improvements and even access the code on GitHub if you want to customize it or contribute to the project. It's designed to be simple and direct, without the need for ad-filled websites or complicated extensions. Once installed, using it is very easy. First, open the program, then go to Bilibili TV, copy the video link you want to download, and paste it into the program. With just one click on download, the video will be saved to your computer in a few seconds. This is version 0.1 of the program, so if you have any suggestions or find something that can be improved, leave your feedback in the comments. And if this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to support the project and stay updated on future releases.